If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 in League of Legends, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends server status page to see if there are any ongoing issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the League of Legends client completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your game client is fully updated. Sometimes, outdated versions can lead to matchmaking errors. Check for any available updates and install them. Step 4. Repair game files. Use the built-in repair tool in the League of Legends client. Go to the settings menu, select the Initiate Full Repair option, and follow the prompts. This will fix any corrupted files that may be causing the error. Step 5. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Restart your router and check for any network issues. A poor connection can lead to matchmaking errors, so ensure you have a reliable internet setup. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Matchmaking Error 2026 and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.